I'm stealing your laptop.
Somebody help! Hello?
911, what's your emergency?
Someone just stole my laptop. OMG, help, please? Somebody catch her or something.
What is your location?
Don't you have GPS or something? You're a cop.
No, our funding was cut.
I'm at 19 in Romeo Plank.
Okay, we'll send somebody right over.
Hurry up.
Somebody will be with you shortly. Hi, ma'am. Did you call about a stolen laptop?
Oh my gosh, it's been hours. Where have you been?
There was no one available.
How are there no leads? It's been weeks. I lost my job and now I don't have any money. I really need my laptop.